In this video we will learn how to approve or reject salary for payroll process in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Payslip approval form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Payslip type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select salary from drop-down. In the grid below you can see list of requests. Employee details, payslip details and the remaining payslip data can be seen in grid. You can approve or reject any request and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.